In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Microsoft Teams status to always available. If you've ever stepped away from your computer for just a few minutes and come back to see your Teams status switch to away, you know how frustrating that can be, especially if you want your coworkers or clients to see you as available throughout the day. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a simple workaround using a dummy meeting that helps keep your status green and active. First, open Microsoft Teams in your browser. Once you're on the main screen, look for the Meet option. This is usually found on the left side or at the top, depending on your layout. Click on Meet to start creating a dummy meeting. We're not inviting anyone or actually hosting a real call here. This meeting will just act in the background to keep your status available. After you click Meet, you'll see an option that says Create a Meeting Link. Go ahead and click on that. Teams will now prepare a unique meeting link for you. When the options pop up, choose Create and Copy Link. You don't need to share this link with anyone. The goal is simply to generate a meeting that you can join by yourself. Once the link has been created, you'll see a button that says Join. Click on Join to move into the meeting setup screen. Before you actually join, Teams will show you the preview window for your camera and microphone. At this stage, you want to make sure you're not broadcasting audio or video. Look for the option that says Continue without audio or video and click on that. This ensures that you're essentially in the meeting silently, without disturbing anyone around you, and without using unnecessary bandwidth. Next, click on Join Now to officially enter the meeting. You are now in a private meeting with just yourself. As long as this meeting stays open, Teams will treat you as active and available. To double check or adjust your status, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. A small menu will appear. Click on your current status, which might say Away Busy or something similar. From the list of status options, select Available. That's all you need to do. Leave this dummy meeting running in the background, and your Microsoft Teams status will stay set to available for as long as the meeting is active.